What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm introducing you to one of St. Anne's most popular sound system called the Elite Squad. So make sure say you take off the number and WhatsApp them for the party events and any bookings you have, and make sure you tell them say Bianca Entertainment because the sound is full of selector in the man, the sound is full of vibes in the man, the sound is the selector them and the sound make a girl them dash out and get mad in the man. So just book them. WhatsApp the number on the screen. No.
Before next month, book out cause the sound hot, daddy.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. We can see it, had some fun on the way it was. We can see it, but baby, it's another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's your girl Tyra. We're back again with another vlog. You know today's gonna be a beach day. We're going to the beach next door, James Bond Beach, and we're gonna vlog because it's our first time there, so stay tuned. Pick up a spicy Bigfoot and icicle. Yeah, look at me. You buy me something? You buy me something?
You got last week Sunday, don't expect to get it on Sunday.
Okay guys, so we don't know where we're from curse them. I don't know, it's not like they get drive, it's not like they don't get drive.
Known as culture beat.
I don't lie away from people, you know.
They don't get a drive. Yeah, man.
Guys, if not come with me, I'm going to go him, daddy.
And also,
I'm going to beg for my bed. And the bus can't leave him.
Just to me don't want to leave him alone.
Guys, the bus can't leave him.
Just to me don't want to leave him alone. I don't stand up by myself. I don't want to body take him, you know? I don't want to body take him.
I think I'm too sexy, guys. You know, I leave me alone, you see me? But we're there with them say my color come, I don't see him all now. I know I'm not see him, so we'll get back to you. Okay, guys, so Michael just come. Okay, so then we reach it as usual, they evaluate. So we still await on them. Then party pops. So we still await on Carissa them. There's a little view of Oracabessa, as you all know. And there's the clock right there. And there's Juicy Patty, Brown Plaza, and yeah. We have a little park over there. Over there. Wait now, zoom. Oh, somebody will call. Alright. Yeah guys, as I was saying, there's a little park over there that's our little why not zoom? Because they can't zoom front camera. Okay, so yeah, there's a little park over there. That's by Carnival and yeah. Over there still await. The big brown man they want to know what going on, so he might catch on the channel. So I don't know him. You want to know what going on so fast? Guys are in there. Guys, I'll get back to you in a few.
One eternity later.
Guys, to the beach them here, we are with oh, you're sexy, sir.
Hey, we're ready for the ride. Bianca Entertainment. We got in for Carissa party. Out of Oracabessa. James Bond Beach. Out.
Put the bell. Put
the mother out.
Funkin' outside. Okay guys, this beach is called Willy's Calabash in and out Fisherman Beach. So yeah, it's a fisherman beach. Yeah. I'm gonna show you a little more view. But you know me, I have to mute this and give you a voice over because there are music playing in the background. But look at this beauty guys. Nevertheless we have to catch it, you know? So this is like the outside of the beach. No dumping. So yeah. There you have it. Now it looks like it's then dump up. Over here so guys because up here rock. We don't have no sand. So anyway, it's pure rock, you know, so I dump it to get dumped up. It's an hotel over there? Regular beach? Okay. Okay. So there's another beach down here. And I can't believe about Ochi. I'm going to go to my place here, guys. It's the laugh after me. But live at Ochi. I'm living in Ochi, but I don't know this place, man. Hi. So guys, as Lisa said, anyway, when this is 2 and you don't know, say, I dump up. So, yeah. So let's see up here. There you go, guys. And that's where the party is keeping. So yeah. And this is what near James Bond Beach. There's one other beach down the road, guys, but we can't go down there by ourselves. We're free. There's a road. Ugh.
Alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been dead since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap up on the slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s
the river is?
No, the river over there. Over the to the rock. The park at the hotel. The hotel that was just put down the
Which hotel lad? What your name?
Golden Head.
Golden Head. Let's go right down there, because street music I play, I can't go.
I feel I have three buses, I have Golden Head.
Baby, you don't know.
Yeah.
That was original Golden Head. The three buses that I was
I feel a chemistry. Only no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give can't be replaced. So no one else do. That's bottom line. My love for you. Please you any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. All day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
Yeah, so you know your girl now. Be boring, some I walk go down near the water, go stand up. Yeah. I'm going to broth my big foot and my champagne soda. Right there, so it there. So you know your girl, pregnant girl, can't drink and liquor. Girl have to just go and eat some sodas and waters. Somebody I go on myself. As you can see, girl up on the beach, I enjoy the breeze. And I enjoy a good life. Good life, you girl. Girl, I look on her big belly. Watcha. Belly mouse.
That's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a
Yeah, your girl is going with herself. Yeah. Get better lighting from that side, yeah. And them girls up there start talk. Yeah. And me down here start going with my little self. Funny beach. I like this beach. It's nice. Yeah, showing them a big foot on my face.
right up to the height of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want up the lane, go deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my foot, hold me tight.
So right now, I'm just gonna view at the sunset. It was looking pretty to me, so I'm like, why not video this and add it to the vlog. Yeah, so this is when the sun was going down, like about 5:30, and it was a cute sight. It was like orange, yeah guys, and giving you another look of the beach and the seawater. That's James Bond Beach over there. Yeah, so we're next to James Bond Beach right here.